2015 Ford F-150 Coyote 5.0. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converter there. Then we kept the factory resonator right there. Then he brought his own muffler, MBRP. We installed it for him. Had to add him a sleeve. Then 3-inch pipe out the back and welded his own tip that came with the system. A little 4-inch tip right there, as you guys can see. There's the factory muffler that was on it, right there. So we'll see if we can get you guys some part numbers on that kit and get it and put it on a link in the description for it. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's not too much. Here's sound decibels. So if we take the resonator out, it'll be like 105. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear on the inside. Got us a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 Coyote. Coyote, babe. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters there and there. Then we left the resonator, then it was into a single, left the resonator right there. Then we did Y pipe duals on it, out the back, mandrel bend tailpipes on each side. And we had to do a custom so it's it looked like the Raptors. So we did it out on the edges because of also the trailer hitch right there. So it gives it that Raptor look. Came out really nice, really beautiful. As you guys can see, custom tailpipes bent there and there. And there it is right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off. There it is right there. Whoa, I like it. What do you think? She's talking. She's screaming, not just talking. Right. Sound decibels, again, one more time. 109. Go ahead and back it out. That looks so good. Came out really clean. It's the Sport 4x4. Nice. What you guys hear on the inside? '19 Ford F-150 5.0 Lariat Coyote. What we got done on it for you boys and girls today. There's the stock converters there and there. Then it was into a single. Then we deleted the resonator. Put a Flowmaster Outlaw. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Put a Y pipe. Then 2 tailpipes. Flowmaster is 15430. It's the power chamber edition. There it is. There'll be a link in the description for it. A link in the description for the Y pipe also. straight out the back on each side. And then there's everything we cut off right there into 4-inch black tips rolled. There'll be a link in the description for them too. 2.5 inlet there and there. There's the tailpipes. You guys got to always make sure they tie away the wires for the brake lines and stuff on these, as you guys can see, away from everything. There it is. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It sounded like that. Yeah, that sounds good. That's Flowmaster Outlaw. There's sound. 160. Woohoo! That sounds really good. Gonna raise them up because of the What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you hear on the inside.
Guys, we got a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Came in, he brought a system, a Borla system. Factory converters there, and then catback system starting here, the resonator there, to Borla attack too. We'll get the part number for you guys in the description. Comes down, Y's out, and then 2 out to the side. And there it is. It's a whole lot better. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the parts. That and the old system we cut out. Resonator, muffler, tailpipe. It's all stock. So we'll let you guys hear it. My man. Go ahead and back it out. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Attack 2018 F-150.
'16 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0. Look at that Coyote. Got custom wheels, lift, and what we got done on it. And he had to keep it low. I don't know why, just to piss me off. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I'm 6'4". A little bit of more information about me. Anyways, we crossed it here. 2 1/4 all the way back. True dual into some massive 6-inch tips out the back. Right there and right there. There's the complete stock exhaust hose on it. Tailpipe, muffler, resonator, white pipe. We cut all that off and ran it new. Make it clap, make it sound really, really good, as you guys can see. There it is, all the way back. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Ford F-150 True Dual with 6-inch tip. Again. Perfect. I love it. Go ahead and back it out. That's perfect. Sexy, clean look. His chest throw. He's in the Army, guys. We appreciate his service. All the way from Arkansas. Wow. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '16 Ford F-150 True Dual with 6-inch tips. 2 1/4 all the way back. Sounds all quiet and idle, like there's nothing on it. And then when he steps on it, it becomes insanely loud.